I'm Dave Smith. Our farm is located in Palmyra, Pennsylvania, Lebanon County. Our farming operation at the home farm here includes about 150 acres, and we have some additional rented land that we grow some row crops on. In addition to that, we raise dairy heifer replacements on a contract basis for a neighbor. We've been very fortunate to work together as a family for a long time. Our farm ownership started with my great-grandfather here nearly 100 years ago. We're going to continue and work with our son to transition some things so another generation can farm. We've dealt with farm credit for 4 generations now. Farm credit's been incredibly valuable for our operation. Our farms are very capital intensive, and we always need a good, reliable source for credit and funding needs. It's been a good partnership for us, a good relationship for a number of generations. I'm currently a director of farm credit. As a cooperative, I think it's 100% important for us to have farmer directors who provide input and direction for the association. It's also very important for me to see other fellow farmers have input and oversight on the financial direction and the success of an association like Farm Credit. I'm a believer in the cooperative system. I believe that there's real positive aspects to a farmer-owned cooperative where the profits from the association get returned to the farmers. I'm not necessarily going to do business with a commercial bank that shareholders are reaping the benefits of those profits. I would encourage somebody to really explore the opportunity that a cooperative like MidAtlantic Farm Credit gives. I think it's important for our farmers to get back some of the proceeds and profits that an association or a bank makes, and Farm Credit provides that opportunity for our farmers, and it's an incredible opportunity that many more can tap into and many have over the years. I think Farm Credit has many different fits for many different people.